Kim Pao, sobrang na-touch. Funny, bigati ng per-airplay na pagbati kina Kim at Paulo. Naloka na naman si Kim Chiu sa panibagong paandar ng isa sa marami niyang fandom dahil sa ere naman nagpasikat ang mga ito. Viral sa Kim Pao Ladya ang pabida ng Kim Pao Universe events nang umarkila mga ito ng single propeller aircraft para paliparin ang pagbati nila kina Kim at Paolo Abilino sa kanilang karawan. Mapapanood sa video ng nasabing fandom ang preparation sa pagkakabit ng birthday greetings sa buntot ng eroplano. Nang mag-take off ito, makikita ang lumilipad na sign ng happy birthday kina Kim at Paulo, kasunod ang initial na Kim Pao Universe. Kim Pao Universe family, taking it to the whole new level of high, sabi pa sa caption ng post sa X ng fandom. Mababasa sa reaction comment ni Kim ang naramdamang suporta at pagkagulat sa effort ng kanyang mga fan. Anya, wow, this surprise emoji at red heart icon. Thank you all the love and all out support that you for us. Thank you for your time, effort and love. Grabe, per airplane talaga. Maraming salamat po at Kim Pao Universe. Say naman ang iba pang mga solid, deserve ni na Kim at Paulo ang ganitong importansya dahil masipag, mabait at lagi silang nagpapakita ng ayuda sa kanila. Pinagsama-samang donasyon mula sa mga sponsor, posibleng sa mga silent solid Kim Pao. Abroad, ang per-airplane aerial birthday greetings ng fandom ni na Kim at Paulo.
Be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I ain't going back, I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Well, sobrang ang natouch si na Kim at Paulo sa ginawang ito ng Kim Pao Ladya na todo ang effort para sa birthday nila. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe for more info.